go.
Kind of flimsy. Yeah, that's not good.
Maybe we'll flip it around. All right, here's the big reveal. Let's get in here and get some good light on this.
Well, we have a cross section.
I'm saying, yeah, we got a nice cross section. I'm saying that in Las Vegas water, after 3 years of no cleaning or flushing this heater, that we have some effective treatment.
That.
Proof in the pudding.
This is what NaturalSof catalytic treatment will do for you.
Focus on the result.
What do you think?
I've cut about 30 of these open over the years, and ain't none of them look like that.
30 of them.
30 of them.
Okay.
Over the probably 30 to 50 over 15 years.
Yeah, I've never seen any not get any treatment after 3 years.
3 years, no service.
Even with treatment, because the softener doesn't be all end all. It doesn't take all the hardness down. It just helps. And then they go bad, and people don't put salt in them. So with flash heat, you instantly scale up copper, or whatever stainless because of the flash heat, because of the intensity of the heat. Unlike a tank, that's slow burn, less heat.
Right.
So I've never seen one this clean ever.
Nice.
Ever. I want to see it.
Come on, check it out.
Hey, when you're done, when that thing's running, okay, don't look.
No, it's worth the aha moment.
Well, I could tell when on those, because you can see.
It's built up all the way through it, right?
Nothing.
Yeah. That's almost three years of use with absolutely zero service, zero anything. Wow. And it sat empty, sat unused for the prior year to that. So the unit's 4 years old.
It's freaking amazing, man.
So this might help us make a case that
I mean, even the
catalytic water treatment ahead of a tankless heater, even the springs are crystal clean.
I'll send you pictures of what they usually look like.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then we can
Or
do
if
the
you have a
comparison.
half one that's
Yeah, no, I'm sure I do. I got some that aren't cut open.